Sanitary toilet constructed by 20 Battalion CRPF under Civic Action Program 2019 and 20 was inaugurated this afternoon at Dhansari. In order to commemorate the 130th birth anniversary of the former Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Children's Day is being organized across the country. And the 9th Foundation Day of Karbi Student and Youth Council was reported to have been celebrated yesterday at Karbi United Club at Volongamajhi. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Cut News. You are watching the mainstream at 6. I am Sarim Tiso. Now the news in details. Sanitary toilet constructed by 20 Battalion CRPF under Civic Action Program 2019 and 20 was inaugurated this afternoon at Mission Children Home at Dhansari. The toilet was inaugurated by Deputy Commissioner of Karbi Anglong, Mukul Kumar Saikia. The toilet was inaugurated in presence of 20 Battalion CRPF Commandant Jenny Anal and Superintendent of Police of Karbi Anglong, Gaurav Upadhyay.
মই নিজে আহিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিছিলো ইয়াত কিন্তু যেহেতু সেইটো সময়ত if I am not wrong তেতিয়া নিৰ্বাচনৰ কাম চলি আছিলে গতিকে মই অলপ ব্যস্ততাৰ মাজত
हो गया बड़ा बड़ा अफसर भी हो गया बिजनेस में भी बहुत पॉपुलर हो गया और जॉब में भी 60% हम लोग नौकरी मिल गया इसलिए आप लोग को ब्लेसिंग देने के लिए मैं गाया हूँ you have to remember in your heart.
Many peoples are reported to have been attended the inauguration ceremony held on occasions of Children's Day. In order to commemorate the 130th birth anniversary of the former Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Children's Day is being organized across the country here on Thursday. That's a report. In order to commemorate the 130th birth anniversary of the former Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Children's Day is being organized today across the country. 14th of November, the day marks the birth anniversary of the former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. Fondly known as Chacha Nehru among the children. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th of November 1889. He was a renowned freedom fighter and a great writer. The event was also held in many schools here in Difu. Children's Day program was also organized at New Life English High School here in Tekilangjun, where children being given honor with gifts distribution and dances performed by the teachers. Bureau Report, Cut News. Let's have a little short break here at the mainstream at 6, but lots more coming up on the other side. Do stay with us.
Shopping Mall is a Gulf of Assam enterprise under Hill Areas Department. A glorious 1 year now.
Here's everything you need: groceries and household supplies, cosmetics, personal care and skincare essentials, appliances and electronics, stationery, men's and women's clothing along with tribal clothing. Also a huge Durga Puja offer on Swati brand. An offer you cannot refuse. Kanch Shopping Mall, Difu Manja Road, Manja Industrial Complex, 782461, Manja, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
back to the mainstream at 6. 9th Foundation Day of Karbi Students and Youth Council was reported to have been celebrated at Karbi United Club at Bolongkamanji here on Wednesday. That's the report. The 9th Foundation Day of Karbi Student and Youth Council was reported to have been celebrated at Karbi United Club here at Bolongkamanji here on Wednesday. The program was attended by the Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Tuliram Ronghang, as a chief guest at the event. EM Amar Singh Tiso, Board Chairman Long Singh Cheron, and dignitaries and many students attended the event. Addressing the gathering, Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Tuliram Ronghang, said that people of Karbi Anglong should come under the one umbrella for autonomous state. Also, he stated in the meeting that special TET for Karbi Anglong was conducted. Bureau Report, GAT News. That's a wrap of this edition at the mainstream at 6, but lots more coming up on the other side. Janali Timupi is bringing you the prime time here on GAT News channel. News with us.